to calibrate now, so because it keeps sticking. Now let's see like that shit. Now calibrate, and then hold to the right. If it'll ever go. Come on, you son of a bitch. And then if you even sometimes on the last one, so like this. Like, what are you gonna do? Release it? Let's see if it drifts back. Finally, if I can even do a complete circle with it. So I had one that was so bad I wouldn't even do the damn circle though, man. Calibration complete. So my problem's fixed, right? Why you lied to me, Nintendo Switch? I don't even know what the point of the calibration is because, like, it's always ends up just as fucked up anyway. Like, I've tried updating. Updating ain't gonna do bullshit. Look at this shit. Hold on. Look. I'm already doing that anyway. Update controllers. Oh, they're all already up to date. Oh, thank you. No, I'm not even using motion. So, I mean, I'd be down to use the D-pad for this game, but it's not. D-pad isn't an option, so fuck these controllers. Piece of shit. I like Switch otherwise, though, but these controllers, man.